Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome on my today class. Today I will teach chapter number 9 and chapter name है soil. Okay. And today class topic है properties of soil. Okay. So you have listed some uses of soil. Let us perform some activities to find the characteristics of soil. Okay. So student, there are one topics under the properties of soil: percolation rate of water in soil. Okay. So बूझो and पहले है two student and mark two different squares 50 cm by 50 cm. Okay, 50 cm multiplied by 50 cm each. Okay, one on the floor of their house and the other on the kacha or unpaved road. Okay, they filled two bottles of the same size with water. Okay, they emptied the water from the bottles on each. At the same time, in the two squares, they observed that the water on the floor flowed down and was not absorbed. Okay, and what? Not absorbed. On the kacha road, on the other hand, the water was absorbed. Okay, water was absorbed. Okay, now let us perform an activity. Understand this. Okay, so student, understand this percolation rate of water in soil. Okay, there are one activity 9.4 even in your NCERT textbook, page number 100. Okay, so student, for this activity, divide yourself into 3 teams. Okay, so team name is team A, team B, then team C. Okay, divide yourself teams, team A, team B and team C. Okay, so you will be finding out how fast the water passes down the soil. You will need to hollow cylinder or a pipe. Ensure that each team uses pipes of the same diameter. Okay, some suggestions for obtaining such a pipe are given below. Okay, first suggestion है if possible, okay, get a small tin can and cut off its bottom. Okay, so student, if possible, get a small tin can and cut off its bottom. Okay, and second I have if PVC pipe. Okay, if PVC pipe approx diameter 5 cm. Okay, PVC pipe. Okay, 5 cm diameter. 5 cm diameter. Okay. Then this pipe 5 cm diameter is available. Cut it into 20 cm long pipes and use them. Okay, that's clear. 20 cm long pipes and use them. Okay, at the place where you collect the soil, place the pipe about 2 cm deep in the ground. Okay, pour 200 ml water in the pipe slowly for measuring 200 ml water. You can use any empty 200 ml bottle. Note the time when you start pouring water. When all the water has percolated Okay, and leaving the pipe empty, note the time again. Be careful not to let the water spill over or run down the outside of the pipe while pouring. Calculate the rate of percolation by using the following formula. Okay, so we have find out percolation rate the following formula. Okay, so this is formula of percolation rate. Okay, percolation rate milliliter per minute. Okay, so amount of water milliliter. Okay, and percolation time minute. Their formula. Find out the percolation rate of water. Okay, so for example, suppose that for a certain sample, okay, it took 20 minutes for 200 ml to percolate. Okay, 20 minutes. Okay, and 200 ml percolate. Okay, so student find out the percolation rate of water. Okay, so student we can put the formula. Okay, so amount of water so the amount of water 200 ml. Okay, upon time 20 minutes. Okay, so we have find out 10 ml per minute. 10 ml per minute. That's clear. Okay. So calculate the rate percolation in your soil sample, compare your finding with others, and arrange the soil samples in the increasing order. Okay, and arrange the soil samples in increasing order of the rate of percolation. Okay. So I hope understood student the percolation rate of water in soil. Okay, and we will discuss in next video next topic in this chapter. Okay.